Few days ago, ARRTX company contacted me and they want to send a set of markers to try and review. So, let's unbox it. This is ARRTX Acrylic Marker set. It has 30 different color with brush tip where you can use in different surface like paper, wood, metal, plastic, concrete, and more. Now let's try and learn how to use it. Wow, look at that! Now, let's jump right into it. As you can see, I tried to use it in a rough paper and it's damaged the paper. So, my advice is to use a smooth paper like this one. By the way, I'm using a marker paper here. That's why the marker's brush just slide through the paper. Now that I know how to use it, it's time to do a color swatch to see how the color will look like. I noticed that there's no number or letters in the marker cup, so I think that's why they include these number stickers. This is boring to do, so let's make it a bit faster. Now that everything is ready, let's do the sketching. This is just a quick sketch, so it's okay if it's look ugly. Quick sketch is finally done. Now it's time to transfer it to the canvas. Wish me luck, brothers and sisters.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night.
Big sketch is finally done. Now, it's time to try the ARRTX Acrylic Marker set. While coloring, I'm going to share what I like and dislike with these markers. So, make sure to watch until the end, brothers and sisters.
I'm gonna let you go.
So, first thing that I like is that you don't need to shake the marker before using it, which is really nice and it will save you a lot of time while coloring. Second thing that I like is the price. It's very affordable compared with the other acrylic marker brand out there. The third thing that I like is the brush tip, where you can get a nice brush effect while coloring. Now I'm gonna share what I don't like with these markers.
Just tell me if you want my love or not. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you.
First is the quantity. They have very limited color and it's find me difficult to mix and match color when you have limited color markers to choose from. second thing that I don't like is that the marker feels so dry while using it. What I mean is that the marker is not that juicy. So, what I usually did is this. I press the marker brush to the scratch paper so that the paint will flow out to the marker brush tip. Just like this.
I'm gonna let you go, you go.
And the third thing that I don't like is the quality of the paint, which is very thin. To get a nice flat color in your drawing, you need to layer it 3 times so it will look clean and even color.
No, you can trust me, just close your eyes.
Those are the things that I like and don't like, and I hope you found it helpful. Now let's finish the coloring and let's do the line art.
I got things to do. I'm me playing you. I'm me playing you. Do you mind if I call you on FaceTime? On the West Coast, so it's late night. I'ma make time if you make time. I'ma make time if you make time. I just wanna see the top with you. I just wanna be in the drop with you.
It's time to add some small details.
I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you.
So one thing that I also like with the acrylic marker, where you can paint over and over and layer upon layer, which is really cool.
Only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so.
Finally, the drawing is done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Only if you say, only if you say so. Stop playing with me, girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me, so just come stay with me. We could be on the run, we could be on the go. We could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so. Yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so.